In that, the first one was monitor. Computer displays the result of processing on a TV-like display screen called monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. What is monitor? It is nothing but a output device which shows all the output, all the process which is done in the CPU after processing the output, where it is shown on the monitor. It is like a TV. Next is printer. In printout, what you can do, you can take out the results of your work on the paper in the form of printout. What the output is, whatever the print which we take on the paper through printer, it is called as printout. The output is called as a printout. Next is projector. It takes images from the computer and projects them on a large screen, flat surface area. What it does, it takes all the images from the computer and it shows on a large flat surface area. Means on the big screen we can see it, right? Next is speaker. What speaker does? With the help of speaker, we can listen to the music, speeches and sound from a computer, right? If there is no speaker attached to your computer, then you cannot listen to the music, sounds or speeches what you have recorded in the computer. So for listening the music, you have to there will be a speaker attached to your computer. Next is storage devices. The hardware that stores information in a computer is called storage devices. They are saying that wherever the hardware, the thing which stores the information in a computer is called as storage devices. Let us see, first one is hard disk. Hard disk is a data storage device. It is used for storing and covering large volumes of data. In hard disk is nothing but a data storage devices and it is used for storing and recovering large volumes of data. Next is CD or DVD. It is a round disc with a shiny surface. It is used to store large amount of data, mostly games, videos, movies, songs, etc. Okay, with the help of CD, we can store large amount of data, that is big amount of data. Okay, which are mostly of games, videos, movies, songs, etc. Next is USB pen drive, that is flash drive. It is handy storage devices and connects to the computer via USB port. You must have used this, right? It is nothing but a small device which you can carry very easily in your pockets or in your handbags, right? Where it is very convenient mode of storage device. It can be used to store or transfer data from one computer to another. With the help of USB pen drive, we can move the data from one computer to another. Okay, and we can use it anywhere with the help of USB. Whatever the data which is stored in the USB, we can access to it in any computer. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to use only one computer for USB pen drive. You can use it on the different pen drive, and USB is connected to computer via USB port. If USB port is not there in your computer, USB pen drive cannot be attached. What is hardware and what is software? Let us see. A computer hardware is controlled by a list of commands called software. Okay, now previously we have seen what are hardwares. Now we will see what is software. All these hardwares are connected to or controlled by the computer with the help of software. Let us see what is software. A software refers to the part of computer which cannot touch. It exists in form of commands which makes the computer work. A software is a part of computer which cannot be touched. We cannot touch the software, right? But it exists in the forms of commands which makes the computer to work. A set of command is called program, and one program is termed as software. Means the set, different sets of command is called program, and all this together, all the programs together is called as software. Okay. The games which we play on the computer are nothing but a software. There are two main types of software: system software and application software. Let us see what is system software. System software makes the computer useful. It helps all parts of computer work together. The operating system is the most important system software. It is the first software loaded into the computer memory. Let us see the examples. Examples of software are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux. What CPU is a brain of computer. Operating systems are known as heart of a computer. Application software. Application software is designed to perform specific tasks. For example, MS Paint is used for drawing and coloring. Notepad is used for typing text, whereas calculator is used for doing calculation, and MS Word, yes, MS Word is also used for typing document. Okay, then let us see, identify the softwares from the icons. First one, can you tell me which software it is? Yes, it is MS Word. Next is Notepad. Next is Windows. And the very last one, MS Paint. Let us see a quick review. Application software is a set of programs designed to perform specific tasks. Then calculator, software applicable for performing calculations. Debugging removes errors from the program is called as debugging. Hardware, physical parts of the computer which we can see and touch. Media player is a computer program that plays videos, music and movies. Program is a collection of instructions that performs a particular task when executed by the computer. Software, set of programs that perform a specific task. Next is user, a person who uses computer. Like us, we use computer, right? So we are users. Thank you.